If you want to hide your cash on delivery option for the products which contains the same name like Havels, Bajaj or something like that, then in this video I will show you the exact tutorial how to do it very easily. For that, I installed the advanced cash on delivery app from the Shopify app store. You can also download it. After installing the app, go here advanced payment rules. Then create a new payment rule. Give a title like hide COD for Havels products. Then add a condition. Select the condition product name. Operator contains. Then in the value, type the name Havels. After that, add the action hide payment method. Payment method name cash on delivery. After that, active the status and save this. Now if the product name contains Havels, then the cash on delivery option will be unavailable. So let's check it on the online store. If I select the product which contains the name Havels, then you can see the cash on delivery option is unavailable. But if I select a product which has no name Havels, then you can see the cash on delivery option is available. So in this way you can do it very easily. So if you like the video, then don't forget to hit the like and subscribe. And if you have any doubt in your mind, then please let me know in the comment section. And that's all today guys. I will see you in the next one. Bye.